In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Zomato order history. First, open the Zomato app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the profile section and tap on it. This is usually where your personal account details, settings, and past activity are stored. After that, select your orders so you can view your previous orders and check what options are available for managing that history. At this point, you'll want to carefully look around the order history section for any option labeled delete, hide, or clear history. Depending on the app version, the wording could be slightly different, so it's a good idea to scan the screen and any menu icons nearby. However, in most versions of the Zomato app, there is no option to delete individual orders, hide specific orders, or completely clear your full order history. So if you're not seeing that feature, that is normal and expected. This is important to understand because many users assume there should be a simple way to erase order history directly from the orders page. But Zomato generally does not provide that control inside the app. That means you usually cannot remove a single order or wipe the history manually through the standard order section. If your goal is to remove all order history completely, the only option mentioned here is deleting your Zomato account. Keep in mind that this is a major step because it removes your account from the platform, not just the visible order list. So before proceeding, make sure that's really what you want to do. To start, open the Zomato app again, if needed, then go to Profile, and from there, open Settings. Inside the Settings area, look for a delete account option if it is available in your version of the app. Not every account or app version may display it in exactly the same place, so take a moment to check carefully. If you do find delete account, tap it and then follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your request. The app may ask you to verify your choice before completing the process. Read each prompt carefully so you understand what will happen before you continue. So to sum it up, Zomato typically does not offer a direct way to clear order history from the Your Orders section. If there's no delete, hide, or clear history option, that means the feature is not available. The only full removal method described here is deleting the account itself through Profile, Settings, and Delete Account, if that option appears in your app.